What's up, brother? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, what I'm gonna do, I will pick one product that's somewhere right now on eBay, and I will show you the sell-through rate on Duraback. And when it comes to selling on eBay, the sell-through rate is very important to see it. It basically shows you a likelihood of being successful. The one product that I will show you today is one that has a low through rate, but I will show you how you sell it and make money from it. So make sure you watch the whole video. Now, what is another thing that I'm gonna show you in this video is creating a dropshipping store in the end of the video. Normally what I do is I import products from China to my house and then sell it, and now I'm gonna create a dropshipping store. That's what I'm gonna do now in the end of the video. But before we start, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so don't miss out any of my future videos, and don't forget to make a quick like and make a comment below. Let's get started. And yeah, in the end of the video I will create a store using a product that has a high sales through rate on eBay, and then we will be able to compare if it makes any difference and see what results. I'm gonna show you exactly the product that I'm gonna sell and how I'm gonna market the product. Now I have just jumped over to the product I sell in eBay, and what is the product that I will selling on eBay? It's a drone camera. As you can see now, this seller sold 837 in the last 24 hours, which is super good. If I was to drop ship this product, I may be able to get some results, and I'm probably going to sell it for a little bit higher. I am going to be able to price it at whatever amount I want, because I'm not going to be competing with a lot of sellers on eBay. Now what is the next thing that I will do now? I'm going to jump over to Duraback to show you exactly the sales through rate. Let's go over to Duraback now to see the sales through rate. I have just jumped over to Duraback. I am going to search for the drone camera to see exactly the sales through rate. So let's do that right now. Right, you need to type in drone camera, and then what you need to do is select these three things: new, fixed price, and best of accepted. Check the previous video to know why I'm doing that. I have explained in my previous video where I intentionally showed you the drone camera, so you can see the reasons why I select these options. What I'm going to do after I select everything, I am just going to click on research, and as I saw, the sales rate is 20%, which is low. As you can see, now we need to see the results of selling this product, and you need to know that this is not a product that I would. What I'm going to do after I select everything, I'm just going to click on research, and as I saw, the sales rate is 20%, which is low. As you can see, now we need to see the results of selling this product, and you need to know that this is not a product that I would ideally like to build a Shopify store around, but we need to see exactly what sort of sales I will be able to get. And you need to know this: when the sales rate is low, it doesn't mean that you won't be able to sell this product or create a dropshipping store. You need to give a show. I'm just going to dropship the product on Shopify, not going to post it. And another thing that you need to know, a new feature that eBay has now introduced on Duraback research. It shows you the total amount of sales that were generated in the given period that you selected. You need to bear this in your mind. It shows you how many sales was generated from that keyword, and you can see that. You can see the market is quite decent. Now what I'm gonna do now, is jump over to AliExpress to see if it's available for us to import or not, and if the product is available with a decent shipping time. In the next video I will show you exactly what you need to do. So let's jump into the video. So the product that we are looking at is a digital furniture label. The product that we can start with. What you need to do, you need to go over to purchase history to see if this product is selling every day or not. So what you need to do is click on sold here. This product has sold 2k sold. What you need to do, you need to go over to Duraback to check the date. So let's jump onto Duraback, and you need to type in digital furniture label. As you can see here, the sales rate is not bad. It's 20%. It's slightly better, and as you can see here, the total item sales is $90,000 and total sold is $8,000. I think you can use this product and make money from a lot of money from a scroll down here. As you can see, this seller has made over $5,000, and here the seller made over $3,000. Now what you need to do, you need to go over to Alibaba.com to know if we can use this product or not, and to check if it's available for us to import or not. Let me go over to Alibaba.com to check if it's available or not. So I have just jumped over to Alibaba. As you can see, it's available for us to import. Here this seller has been there for 1 year, and here for 1 year to 2 years, 16 years. I will pick this one here. And you need to pick the seller that has been on there for almost plus 5 or 4 years. As you can see here, this seller has been on Alibaba for almost 16 years. So this particular product is selling really well when you buy. This product is available for us to import. Now let's move to the second product. The product is a flashlight. This is what the product looks like. Now we need to check if this product is selling really well or not. So let's check the sales date. As you can see here, 6 sold. Now you need to click on here sold to know if this product is selling really well or not. You are most likely going to have success with this particular product and make a lot of money from it, but you need to have a deep price. After that, what you need to do, you need to go over to Terabec. Now I have just jumped on Terabec, and you need to tab in flashlight. As you know, we need to select new and fixed price and best of accepted. As you can see here, the sales through rate is 4%. I know it's not bad, but just we need to try. And as you can see here, the total item sales is $708,000 and total sold is 85k. I think you can use this product, and you need to know something that the market is really big. Now you need to scroll down. As you can see here, the seller made over $5,000 in revenue from one product, and I'm sure that he's got multiple other products. You need really to start with this one here. So let me just click into his store and check exactly what other products he's selling. He's got other products, as you can see here, which means that every single month he's making a lot of money. This just show you the power and the potential of eBay. So if you start a business on eBay, you might be able to make a lot of money. Now what you need to do, you need to go over to Alibaba.com to see if we can import this product or not, and also to see if it's available for us to import. The product is available, as we can see here. So this supplier has been there for 5 years, and here this supplier has been on for 30 years, and here 7 years. As you know, you need to pick the seller that has been on there for almost plus 5 or 4 years. So as you know, you will pick one, and after that you message him and select what you need to do and select what you need from him, and that's it. That's the end. I hope you enjoyed that video. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so don't miss out any of my future videos, and don't forget to make a quick like and make a comment below. Stay safe. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so don't miss out any of my future videos, and don't forget to make a quick like and make a comment below. Stay safe and goodbye.